If you're trying to do SEO and you're using Squarespace, you might have been told that you need to set up your SEO meta title and description. And I'm going to show you how to do that in Squarespace. So the first thing you want to do is the site-wide settings. So I'm in my Squarespace dashboard and I'm going to go to settings and then marketing. And we've got our SEO appearance. So we'll click on that. And they do have an SEO checklist that you can go through and follow, but you can just watch this video. And we can see here, this is our search appearance, and it's got an SEO title format. So this is the default format for the whole page. If you wanted to show something different, and this is going to just be the site title, that %s means site title. But if you wanted to say something different, then you can type in exactly what you wanted to say. So uh, my site title is your site title right now. If I wanted to say my site title, I could type that in, and that's going to be what shows up. So I'll leave it at the %s for now. And then you can also enter a description. If you don't have a description, and this is what's referred to as the meta description, they call it the SEO site description, but the meta description, it's a HTML tag that goes into each of your documents, each of your HTML documents, each of your pages in your website, and it describes what's on the page. And some search engines use that as the description that shows up here. So you can enter the custom description. So you can see in the preview there, it's going to say this is my website. You can also set up a default for your pages, and you can see here the default is going to be %p, which is going to be the page title, dash, and then %s, which is the site title. So if you want to change that, you can as well. And then we've also got items, which are, I believe, your products and things like that. Now, if you wanted to change the description or the title for individual pages, which you want to do this for every single page in your site. I'm just going to click cancel on this. I'm not going to save my changes right now. Then you need to go into the website dashboard and you need to go into the individual page settings. So we can see here for about there, the little gear icon, you'll click on that. And then you'll go to the SEO tab and you can see here, you can change the SEO title. If you don't want it to follow that default, which was the %p, which is the page title, and %s, which is the site title, you can change it to something else. So I can say about my site if I wanted to. If I didn't want the %s, I would have to go into those site-wide settings and change that. And then you do want to set an SEO description. It should be a unique SEO description. Each page in your website should have a unique one. If you're duplicating pages to add your content, make sure you go in and update the SEO description, again, the meta description, before you save the page. Otherwise, you're going to get duplicate descriptions and they could be the wrong description. I've seen this a lot of times. You want to have the right description in there. So you want to give and you can see 50 to 300 characters long, under 400. And that's basically because that's about what's going to fit in that preview on the search engine result page. So this is how you would change your SEO title or meta title and your SEO description or meta description in Squarespace. I hope you found this useful.